Managing a sheet metal job shop is without a doubt one of the most challenging tasks. When a company makes a profit, all seems to be okay. The owner and employees can be rewarded. The company can innovate and grow. To make sure the company makes a profit, one needs to understand and control productivity. Walking for hours on the factory floor to understand and improve productivity is just a guessing game. Perhaps your job costing confirms that estimated production times are accurate. It doesn't mean that you achieved planned productivity. You can still lose your profit, as it is not only about the time required to make each product, but rather how many products you can make in a specific time. What would it mean for your business having real-time information about your shop floor productivity with key performance indicators, giving your managers and staff tools to easily and proactively understand and improve productivity? ZOOMFAB monitors your machines and shows you in real time their status, production efficiency, revenue, and profitability. ZOOMFAB also shows you which operations are making a profit and which are running at a loss. So how do we know what causes the loss of profit? Profit is lost when setup is taking too long, machine is down or idling. ZOOMFAB reports in real time for each machine so you can act proactively and resolve the problem. Other causes of low productivity are organizational errors and discipline. Installation of real-time screens on the factory shop floor reduces machine downtime by encouraging honesty and cooperation. Another important aspect of a well-managed business is to maintain realistic hourly rates used for price estimating. But how do we determine hourly rates? They are calculated from the current budget and appear to be correct. Budgeted hourly rates are only valid when budgeted costs and work center utilization are maintained. ZOOMFAB has a built-in comprehensive hourly rate calculator, which calculates budgeted and actual hourly rates, leaving no room for error. Finally, we have everything under control. But in the job shop business, there is a myriad of new situations every day. A new job is coming. But do we have enough production capacity? Will we need more equipment and people? Can we run more shifts? ZOOMFAB has a unique modeling tool which allows you to simulate how your profit would increase if you bought new machines or added more working hours. You can also predict how your business would cope with crisis and production decrease. ZOOMFAB provides comprehensive analysis with 360-degree visibility. With ZOOMFAB, you will gain total control of your operations and increase your productivity.